today you two will be reacting to the complete book of Canaries. I picked out some canaries. So first one.
Which one's Tweety Bird?
None of them. That one.
It's got a bowl haircut.
Yes, it does.
Is that Tweety's cousin?
Maybe.
No.
And then look at that one. He's got cool hair too.
It kinda... I don't know. I don't understand.
Okay, next one.
Okay, well, that's not gonna stand up straight.
Yes.
That's
Scotch.
that's Fawkes the Phoenix's cousin. They're all cousins.
Yes, all birds are cousins. Okay, next one.
Which one's your bird Mystery?
It looks like
Well, he's not a canary.
that's how Tanya would look if she was a bird, because she's always got messy hair.
Poor Tanya.
It's so fluffy.
Fluffy!
It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
And then this last one. You ready for this one?
No.
Oh, it's adorable.
It looks dead.
I know.
Are you sure it's not sick? Like,
And then
seriously?
there's these ones.
Are you sure that's not sick?
No?
I'd hate to look like that.
Aww.
Actually, though, that would be a pretty good defense mechanism, making yourself look dead and sick so other animals wouldn't attack you.
Maybe they'll see you as an easy target,
Yes, but maybe they'll see, oh, it looks sick, it'll probably make me sick.
Yes, so that's the complete book of Canaries. What else is there? Lots of canaries. Oh, look at him.
Aww.
He's a little cutie.
He got bowl haircut again.
You know how difficult that is to do?
Okay, so yeah.